I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If your LinkedIn group has been hacked, don't panic. Follow these steps to regain control. Step 1. Report the hack. Go to the LinkedIn Help Center and report the issue. Provide as much detail as possible about the group and the changes you noticed. Step 2. Verify your identity. LinkedIn may ask you to verify your identity. Be prepared to provide information like your email address associated with the account and any group admin details. Step 3. Check for admins. If you have other admins in the group, reach out to them. They may still have access and can help regain control. Step 4. Change your password. Once you regain access, immediately change your password to secure your account. Use a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Step 5. Review group settings. After regaining access, check the group settings to ensure nothing has been altered. Look for changes in group rules or admin privileges. Remember, staying vigilant and regularly updating your security settings can help prevent future issues. Good luck, and I hope you get your group back on track.